at WrestleMania, setting a new St. Field record. Saw Triple H and Booker T get it on, but this could be right here a most interesting matchup, and I'll tell you why.
And making his way to the ring, weighing in at 215 pounds, the Hurricane.
Triple H is 44 hours removed from one hell of a battle with Booker T. One hell of a battle.
Right? Oh, that's why this should be interesting?
I'm thinking that Triple H he may take this kid, the Hurricane, lightly, and if Triple H does, we got a big upset in the making.
I'll tell you something that wasn't light, JR. I'll tell you something that was heavy duty. What about the performance by Limp Bizkit at WrestleMania? And what about the performance of them playing the WrestleMania theme song that we heard earlier at the top of the show? Don't forget, Limp Bizkit CD is the song that we heard earlier at the top of the show. Don't forget, Limp Bizkit CD is available in stores this coming June. Little idiot. I mean, that kid.
Well, fan awfully happy for the Hurricane. He'll have a night, as many of our fans do. What the hell is that? I'll be damned.
What? Look at this.
That won't get over your nose, Flair. I'll tell you that. And look at the Hurricane.
Flair's being assaulted.
And here comes the game. Again, after that battle with Booker T, you got to wonder what kind of shape the game's going to be in. And we're going to see Booker T tonight as well take on Chris Jericho. Booker T and Jericho one-on-one tonight. That poor little kid looked like he was scared to death thanks to Ric Flair.
Well, actually, the kid was so ugly, should be wearing a mask.
Well, we have seen the Hurricane show his guts and his will to win, but it's going to take, yes, a great effort. And you may be rolling your eyes about the upset. Oh, what a strike by the world's heavyweight champion.
Shortest match on record. Good pinning, Triple H.
But after what, if you saw WrestleMania, folks, and if you did, thank you so much for joining us. If you didn't, shame on you. You know what kind of match Triple H had with Booker T. What an effort by Booker T and what velocity was that Irish whip. I'm just not sure that the game is at the top of his game, including the age-old Indian deathlock against Booker T that injured Book's leg last night.
Okay, let's don't live in the past, JR. Let's talk about what's happening now. Hey, wait a minute.
And Hurricane, look at the neck breaker. Hurricane just took down the world's champion.
He didn't get it good. Get up, Triple H.
A big right hand by the world's champion.
I'm actually shocked. If you think that this
Look at this, Hurricane.
Come on, okay.
Well, two knockdowns.
Get all excited.
Shining Wizard by the Hurricane. Could be the upset. Oh, that's how close it was. Vince McMahon is waiting on the police.
Come on, Triple H, get up. Do to him what Triple H done with Superman.
Look at Flair on the outside. And how can he be proud of those actions?
He's the Nates. Look out, Nates.
Nates just got drop kicked down by the Hurricane. Again, a taste of his own medicine.
It is a mugging. How many times
Can you feel the momentum changing here?
How many times is Hurricane going to be allowed to hit?
Hurricane crossbody! Hook the leg! You got it! Yeah! Triple H couldn't even kick out that time, but he got his right shoulder off the canvas, but that's all that matters. Look who's here! Folks are having trouble hearing this. Just bear with us here. We're live. Top turnbuckle for that counterfall.
This is it.
Oh no! That could be it! That could be up here! The cover! That's another near fall! That's 4 or 5 near falls by the Hurricane! But move your knee off! game at WrestleMania. My vote is he had a hell of a lot to do with this effort by the game.
Okay, maybe the game